What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. It's me, Packy, and today we have a mystery bowling ball that I'm unboxing, or I hope it's a bowling ball. So I bought this bag at a garage sale, but as I showed you in the last video, it doesn't open. And we also have this mystery ball right here. I don't know if you guys can see it. However, right here, zipper's broken. I have no idea what's inside this bag. I'll probably have to cut it open with like scissors and we'll find out what's inside, and I'll be throwing this mystery ball. Next video, catch it next video. So I'm looking around my house and this is the best tool I found to open it. I don't know, I don't think it's gonna work. Might need to find something else. Wow, that was actually surprisingly perfect. It was so old and so brittle that that knife cut right through it. So let's see what we got in here. We have a Bill's Brunswick
Laser.
It feels like it's about like 12 pounds. It's an old school Brunswick
Laser.
I'm gonna take it down to campus at WSU and I'm gonna re-drill it and just see what kind of numbers I can put up with this actual mystery bowling ball that I know nothing about it. You know, I think it's a plastic ball, might be a plastic urethane mix, but I got out of this bag that's probably been sitting there for about 20 years. We're now here in the shop and I'm gonna plug and drill this ball for my hand, and then I'm gonna bring it over to North Rock or Seneca for the house shot and see what kind of numbers I can put up with this ball. As I wait for this thing to dry, I've done some research. It is a 1992 three-piece plastic ball, which means it is 30 years old. It's older than me. With it being a three-piece plastic ball, it is essentially like today's version of a T-zone. However, there were just beginning to be reactive bowling balls around that time. So once I drill it and sand it down, I'm actually going to just leave it sanded, because the only way in my mind to really get some good reaction out of a plastic ball is to hit it with a little bit of surface. So I'm gonna leave the surface, bring it to the house shot, and hopefully show you guys what you can do with a 30-year-old plastic ball. Vacuum is broken here, or I guess I'm now gonna take it to Seneca. Justin Rummus can help me out. I'm gonna drill it there and then show you guys what this ball can do. Really old ball. How much do you think it is?
I'm not gonna tell you what it is. I'm gonna tell you that I think that's what it is.
You think it is what it is?
I think what I put on there is what it is. 10-1. That's pretty close. I guessed it at 10-1, and it is 10-1 and an 8. Who's the man and why am I?
Oh! The warm-up is now complete, and here we go. One game with my Brunswick Laser from 1992. 10.1 pounds. Here we go. 10-pound laser. Oh. Okay. It's just, you just gotta touch the head pin, that's all it is. Oh! Yeah. Rip off. Come on. I just rolled a 3-pin, so it's like it pays back, you know? I got a good look, I'm saying 202's out there. Ay, ay, ay. Chance to double. That's a tough one. I'll go left and harder. Ah. Couple bad ones in a row. I've now 5-pinned, a 10-pinned, a 5-10, a 5-7. I know, I'm pounding the pocket. This is some great footage for the bloopers. All right, chance to double for 194. Hey, the 10-pounder doesn't roll so good. Tough start. I hope I'm making Bill proud wherever he is. That last one was flush. Oh my God. How do I leave an 8-pin? I need the next 3 for 2 team. I only have 2 strikes and I need the next 3 for 200. Need 2 in a row here. Oh, needed it. I just don't think my 202 goals are going to be reached with this 10-pound ball. Maybe too much surface, maybe not enough moving to the left. You guys let me know what you guys think I could have done to shoot 203 or 202, and then maybe I'll try again and catch you on the next one. Maybe I'll try a new ball. And until then, subscribe to the channel, and peace.